open some blind bags. Frankie only has one. I got two.
I got Chris Paul. I don't know.
I want the black one. I want the black one. He wants Blake Griffin.
But I want.
I have no idea.
I want red.
I have no idea what I can get in these blind bags because it doesn't show you what I can get in these blind bags. So let's get started. I'm gonna open this up first. Okay, it's kind of hard to open up. I'll open it up by myself. Okay. Got it. Okay. Okay. Oh, so cute! I got the cookie one. The cookie bouncy bouncy. Bouncy bouncy bouncy. It's squishable as well. Squish, 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 squish.
What are we gonna get?
To do the next.
Now, and I get mine. So what
I opened that like Rick. Oh, I know which one I
Yes,
got.
I got the blue. Yes,
I got the same thing. I got little twins. Little tiny twins. Little tiny twins.
I got blue. Yes.
I never knew I could get a twins before. So thanks for watching. Bye bye.